together. I think we've got it.
Very special guest today. He's a rapper.
You get a shitload of these? Yeah, no, I've seen them.
Probably the only person who smoked more than Hunter and Biden. It's Snoop Dogg.
Hold on, how do I get this slow motion? I got a part.
It's called Easy Dance because it's easy to do. I guess this easy dance is a little more difficult than I thought. All right, everyone. Who's ready to dance? This song is called the Chucky Cha Cha. Here we go. First you slap your knees, then clap your hands, and that's the way you do it. Slice left over right, and right over left. There's really nothing to it. Now point back to the left and back to the right. Feel the rhythm getting strong. Wave your hands in the air and turn to the left, and you're dancing to the song. Now turn around and dance along. I said, hey, yo, come on, let's go and do the Chucky Cha Cha with me. I said, oh, hey, dance your kids away and do the Chucky Cha Cha with me. I said, hey, the Chucky Cha Cha is really just as fun as can be. I said, hey, show me that you know how to Chucky Cha Cha with me. This is so much fun. I'm thinking some of you guys have done this before. Are you guys ready to keep dancing? Okay, then. Let's keep this Chucky Cha Cha going. First you slap your knees, then clap your hands. Just let the Chucky Cha-Cha is really just as fun as can be. I say, hey, oh, show me that you know how to Chucky Cha-Cha with me. Yeah, you all did such a great job.
You know, Ethan was mad that we're not all gonna pile in here on his birthday to watch this because we're not all gonna fit in the house. And then he's like, "Well, why can't we just
Okay,
put
me and
the
my friends
TV
are going to
outside?"
teach you
That's
this
what he
easy
said.
dance so you can dance with Chucky. First,
TV.
we're going to move like Chucky's friend
To
Helen.
do this
Now,
birthday
Helen's a bird
dance.
and
thing.
loves to flap her wings. So,
This is
let's
radio.
flap our wings. Perfect. Okay, next up, we're going to move like Chucky's pizza chef, Pasquale. Now, when Pasquale makes the pizza dough, he throws it up into the air and spins his hands.
Okay.
So,
Where'd you
let's
get dark?
spin our hands.
Yeah. Usually between
Next
9
up
and
is Chucky's
9:30.
purple pal, Munch.
It's only 8.
Now, Munch loves to munch on pizza. That's his name. So,
Yeah,
let's
the
make our
little
hands
fireworks
into
we
a
had
big munch mouth and
fireworks.
do
Fountain
the
fireworks.
munch.
Or what?
Fountain fireworks. So they don't go off the
Very
ground.
good. Okay, next up, we're gonna move like Chucky's canine pal, Jasper. Now, Jasper's
Well,
a
whenever you
little
want to do that
hermit
fire, we
and
can.
loves a good old scratch.
You didn't know how
So,
to go in
let's scratch it off.
I don't think we do now.
They don't sell them? Why not?
Well, they
Oh,
sell them,
yeah.
but they're
Jasper with
expensive.
the dance, and I think
Yeah,
we all
yeah,
know which this
Jasper.
move is. It's time to move like Chuck E.
The
Cheese
anthem.
himself.
Fireworks
So,
show.
let's get our ears ready and wiggle
Oh,
our
goodbye.
ears.
Yeah, no.
You guys are awesome. And guess what? It's almost showtime.
You need
In
a lot of
fact,
energy.
there's only 10 seconds left. Count down with me from 10.
It looks like he's on crack,
It's bad.
right? One way to speed it up.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Stacy Wood. That's the lady that you took us to church.
Yeah, she's the one married to the black guy.
Are they still married?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Because I think they, I don't know about her, but I think he goes to the church that me and Katrina goes to, the Pentecostal church. They are Pentecostal.
She married her black guy. Look at
That's alright. I know she has too many kids anyways. What, she has like 20?
No, she was four or five.
Too many.
Three boys, one girl. No, two girls.
This guy must know what I was thinking. They said let's set up fireworks during the day and not do the same.
Well, I mean, if you tell them cherry bomb, you can see them during the day.
You can't see here.
Munch.
You hear 'em.
It's Jasper T, and he likes to
Or the smoke bomb, the ones with the different colors.
You can set up cherry bomb with your hand. You can
He's
see
a scratch it off. Scratch it off. Scratch it
Bottle rocket. You got a pop bottle?
Cheese. I'm the mouse that you all know. Oh yeah, just wiggle your ears.
it.
Bottle
I used to
rocket.
just hold it though.
On the show.
When it starts to lift, you kind of go.
Wiggle your
Yeah, well,
ears.
when I was little,
Your ears.
we did any of them, we had to use a bottle
Let the
rocket.
dance begin. Clap your wings while you side.
That works too.
Get a pizza up high.
You know what's not me when I was little?
Do the munch. Do the munch. Do the munch. Scratch it off with your hand. Wiggle your ears if you can. Chuck E. Cheese. Do the munch. Do the
Are you guys
munch.
just leaving this up since Christmas is soon?
Probably.
Since by the time you guys take it down, dude.
Wave your hands to the left. Wave your hands to
She
the
still got, I
right.
think she still got Christmas decorations for Hanukkah.
No, does she?
Yeah, right there.
Oh yeah. Now that you
Isn't there one on the back porch, just turn around
dance
backwards?
again. Clap your wings by your side.
What?
Spin a
Ain't there one on the back porch, just turn around backwards?
I don't know.
I think there is one.
Do the munch. Scratch it off with your hand. Wiggle
How
your
many hours a week does in my hook? 40?
Do the
When she works, yeah.
Why did she go up?
Sometimes.
Wave your hands to the left, wave your hands to the right, 'cause friends are out of sight.
I don't ever fall up there.
Now that you know about me and my friends, it's time for the dance
How
to
the
end.
fuck does fashion fucking work when you fast your fucking insulin?
Some of you may have heard the Chuck E. Cheese birthday song. But for those of you who haven't, we're going to teach it to you right now. It's really easy to learn. Just follow me and the birthday notes. Now, when we say happy, you say birthday. Next, you clap your hands 3 times. And then you stop your feet 3 times. Now, let's try it all together. We say happy, you say birthday. Happy! Happy! Clap your hands. Now stop your feet. Yeah, you got it. I think you're ready. Let's do this.
Although,
We say happy, you say birthday. Happy.
when I was just saying,
It's hard to argue against what Trump said because this is what we love about Donald Trump. The fact that he would say this. It's hard to argue against what Trump said. This is what people love about Donald Trump. The fact that
What do you call 100 black men working in a field? Here we go. Good old days. What do you call 100 black men working in a field? Here we go. Good old days. What do you call 100?
Okay, guys, it's
You
showtime.
guys ready?
Here we go.
Okay, I'm not sure you guys heard me. Let's try.
Let's
this.
try this again.
I
Say,
said,
are you guys ready?
Ready for the Chuck E. Cheese
Cheer.
birthday star extravaganza?
Yeah.
That's more like it. Okay, to officially start the show, we need to let Chuck E. Cheese.
Okay,
know
let's
where
cheer.
he's
Chuck
And
E.
to do that,
Cheese.
Let's shout his name. And
So
get his
here we
attention.
go.
Here we go.
Chuck E. Cheese. 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 Chuck E. Cheese.
Hey, everyone! Thank you. It's great to be here with you to celebrate these amazing birthday stars. Now, for those of you who don't know, when you celebrate your birthday at Chuck E. Cheese's, you are the star of the show. In fact, on the count of 3, let's all wish these stars
Okay, here we go.
a happy birthday!
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
That was pretty good, but I think we can do better than that. Come on now, give it everything you've got. Again, on the count of 3.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
Much better. But I still think we can get a little louder. We want the whole place to hear us.
Yep.
Don't hold back now.
1, 2, 3. Happy birthday!
That's more like it. Great job. Woo-hoo. All right, all you birthday rock stars. Where are you? If it's your birthday, and only if it's your birthday, stand up, because I want to meet you. So wait! Okay, guys, do you know what time it is? It's time to rock out. That's right, the Air Guitar Rock Contest.
Hey, you birthday rock stars mind if I play along with you?
Oh, hey, Jasper. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna get this air guitar part
Yep, here
started,
we go.
but we really want to see you join in. So let's see.
The wildest air guitar solo!
Don't know how to play air guitar? Well, just do what I do. That's it. You got it. Oh yeah, little Jimi Hendrix going on over here. Rock and roll.
Yeah!
That was awesome! Now, some of you may have heard the Chuck E. Cheese birthday song before, but for those of you who haven't, we're going to teach it to you right now.
Okay, here we go.
Really easy to learn. Just follow me and the birthday host. Now, when we say happy, you
say birthday.
Next, you clap your hands 3 times, and then you stomp your feet 3 times. Now, let's try it. All
Okay, here we go. We say happy, you say birthday. Happy. Happy.
Clap your hands. Now stomp your feet.
Okay, here we go. We say happy, you say birthday. Here we go. We say happy,
You say birthday.
happy, happy.
Clap your hands. Now stomp your feet.
Your birthday style at Chuck E. Cheese.
It's your birthday and we aim to please. You're rocking out and going far.
Here's
to you, our birthday star. Your birthday star at Chuck E. Cheese. It's your birthday and we aim to please. You're rocking out and going far. Here's to you, our birthday
Here we go. We say happy,
You say birthday.
happy, happy. Happy birthday from Chucky. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah! That was super awesome!
I can't believe how much fun we're having today.
I know, right? And guess what? It's about to get even better. Huh? How can it get any better? Well, I did make a cake.
It's time for a cake!
Almost, Munch.
Yeah, Munch, not
I
yet.
got an idea. This is gonna be a blast. Okay, I'm gonna draw an invisible line right down the middle here. Now I need 2 groups, 1 on each side.
Okay.
Okay, now, if you're over here on my right, I want you to yell out, birthday!
If you're on my
Let's try
right,
it.
please fill out birthday.
Yell out,
Once again, if you're on my right.
great job! Now, for those of you on my left side, I want you to shout out, rock!
Okay, if you're on Chuck's side,
Shout out,
please say rock.
great! Now, let's see who can be the loudest!
Here we go. Birthdays. Birthdays. Birthdays.
First, we have to sing happy birthday to our birthday star.
That's right, everyone! Count down with me from 10 as we light the candles, and then we'll all sing
Here we
together!
go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, everyone, sing along!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
That's it!
Happy birthday to me.
Make a wish and blow out the wow! Yeah! Way to go! Thank you all so much for coming to celebrate your birthday here with me. We're never gonna forget this.
We sure won't. And hey, before we officially wrap things up, how about a big shout out for the grown-ups who brought you here today? Woo! All right, kids, when your party server tells you it's okay, come on up and get a picture with Chuck E. Cheese. But first, we have one more thing, right, Chucky?
That's right. Okay now, one more time. Let's wish the birthday star a great big happy birthday on the count of 3. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday!
If you want to take a picture of Chucky, please come up now. Thank you. Okay, if no one is going to show up, Chucky, go back into his room. Goodbye, have a nice day. Bye. So guys, bless you guys. See you on next time. Goodbye, have a nice day. Thank you.